days. School, attention. Right turn. Left turn. School ready for morning prayer. Tamil Valthu. Blacks, engage my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I bless my devotion. The well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Stand at ease.
Good morning to all. Now we call upon Selvi Udayini to say Tirukkural. Good morning to all. Tirukkural. பிறவி பெருங்கடல் நீந்துவ நீந்தால் இறையனடி சேராது. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now we call upon Selvan Ilamaran to say prayer. Good morning to all. I am going to daddy's flower. No cans, no pain. Ulupindi udam milleta. Have a nice day. Now we call upon Selvi Veda Anusri opposite. Good morning to all. I am Hr.Sec. I am in the studies UKG day. Good morning to all. I am Hr.Sec. to stay. I am studying UKG day, night, good, bad, soft, hard, open, close, tall, short, full, empty, laughing, crying, young, old. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today, Igorita Sri from UKG celebrating her birthday. I kindly request our respected principal ma'am to present the birthday gift to the birthday girl.
चल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मा